biggest problems in mudrooms is not having enough hooks. But you don't always want to bust out your tools to drill into the wall. So I have an easy trick for you that involves no tools, but you still get plenty of hooks. EasyMount from Duck brand. Each package includes everything you need for the EasyMounts. You have the hook, and then all your parts are on the back of the package. So let's get into it. So inside the package, you have your hook, you have a couple of nails that you're going to push in, and you have, this is the piece that you're going to use to stick on the wall to hold your hook. And it comes with a level. It comes with a level right on it. So you don't have to worry about making sure it's straight because EasyMount is going to make sure it's straight for you. Start with deciding where your desired height is for your hook. Remove the backing. The open part goes on top. Okay. Level it and push. Then you're going to take the 3 pins that are inside the package, along with this handy little push pin thing. And in each one of the holes, you're going to push the pin in. I found starting it with your thumb just so it, has a little place to go, and then using the tool provided makes a perfect push in for the pin. Then you're going to take your hook, slide it on. Now you are good to go. Let's do another one. Ow. Now everything is off the floor and on a hook, which keeps your mudroom super organized.